welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing Petit Vour and Color Curate. Those are my clean beauty boxes. If you are new to my channel, wait till the end. I always try these products out for at least 5 days to really see how I feel, how they do on my skin. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing we pull out is the card showing the theme for this month. And on the inside, of course, it talks a little bit more about the theme, as well as the products inside, what they do, and the pricing of the samples inside. So, yeah. So the prices on here are not necessarily the full size unless the product itself is full size. So I will list the full size and the sample size for you as I pull them out of the box. All right. So the very first item is Voss Shine On Stick, the creamy highlighter stick made with wild flax papaku butter, creates a buildable and blendable glow with an iridescent finish that adds dimension and glides on easy. I am already disappointed with this. I mean, the color is great, but like I open this up, the whole thing falls off. I try to put it on my hand and then it breaks. So it's like, it's not a good start, guys. It's not. I mean, this may end up a fabulous highlighter. I'm still gonna try it, but I'm really not happy when something's brand new and it falls apart like that. I'm still gonna try it. Still gonna give you my thoughts, but I mean, they might want to consider working on the formula a little bit or something in order for it to not break like that. Next item is Provence Apothecary, I don't know, moisturizing cleanser and makeup remover, calming and hydrating raspberry I can't say it. Frankincense and lavender essential oils restore the skin's natural radiance by gently cleansing without over drying the skin or destroying the natural pH. Okay, so that is clearly what it looks like. I am going to open it and see what it smells like, because that's important. Who wants to put nasty smelling stuff on their skin, right? Okay, yeah, I'm not gonna squirt that out. Let me try it this way. Okay, yeah, it smells like essential oils. That's pretty much all I can say. It smells good. Yeah, we'll see how well it works. Next thing is a Car Skin Balancing Toning Mist. Achieve true balance with this fine, non-sticky mist of rose and orange blossom. Spritz to provide gentle hydration, neutralize pH, and allow greater absorption of nutrients. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I'm going to spray it just because I want to smell it. Okay, yeah, it has a nice clean scent. Happy with the scent, but we'll see how well it works. Last thing in the box is Luxe Botanics Camu Brightening Moisturizer. Revitalize the skin's luminosity with this buttery moisturizing cream infused with vitamin C rich camu. This Amazonian superfruit fades the appearance of dark spots and repairs environmental damage, revealing a glowing complexion. Okay, so that's clearly not a huge sample, but you know, it's fine. It'll work. I do want to see what it smells like. Doesn't smell like much. I mean, clearly it's a moisturizer, so it's going to be a cream. But let's see here. It smells all right. I mean, definitely smells Amazonian, I guess. I don't know. We'll see what's in the Color Curate bag. The first thing out of the Color Curate bag is the card that shows the theme along with the items inside. They do not provide a description on this one, but the colors is always fun. The bag itself, they say, is worth $12 and is a limited edition makeup bag. Okay, so the first thing out of the bag is Nebula and Telescope by Jelly Pong Pong. I have used these eyeshadows before and they're okay, they're creamy, but like my hooded eyes always causes them to crease, so I'm not even going to bother using this. I'm just going to leave it like this. and save it for the next giveaway. So the next thing is this highlighter stick. It is by Susan. It is Light Odyssey and Amaranthian. I'm sure I pronounced that wrong. Anyways, it's this nice pink color, but I've gotten one of these before, but it was in a different color. It was Rave, and that's a peach color. I'm going to put them side by side just so we can see the difference. This is the new one that was in this month's bag. This was the other one. Both very pretty, but very different. Next we have Cheek Souffle or Eye Candy in Gillette by Trifle Cosmetics, and it is this nice copper and silver color. I have gotten one of these before, and this is what it looks like. It's like a pink and gold. I'll show you the pink and gold, and I did really enjoy it. Put it right there. This is the pink and gold right there, and this is what I got this month. So I do like these colors. I'm excited to be using more of this product. The last item in the bag, or kind of laying behind it, is Vacascapes by Jelly Pong Pong. And this is a really pretty palette. I really like the design here, and then the colors inside are great. It actually is kind of giving me vibes of the Laura Sanchez Mood palette, and I'll show you why. I mean, the colors are very different, but it kind of has a similar vibe. You see that? But anyways, very excited about it. These colors went on smooth for the swatches. They seem really creamy. They're shimmery, so I might have to pair it with some other things. But I think the color selection this month is really good. I'm excited to try it. This is going to be fun. Okay, so it has been 5 days. I have tried everything out. So let's go ahead and talk about the products. First was the Petit Vour box, and this was the balancing toning mist, and I used it up, so clearly I loved it. Then there was this cleansing moisturizing oil here, and I've been using it. You can't really tell. If I hold it like that, you can kind of tell, but I've been using it. Absolutely love it. This isn't sudsy, so if you use it to cleanse your face, just know you're not going to get suds. You rub it in and it feels really good. It's fine, but it's not a sudsy product. You're not going to have bubbles. It's just you're literally rubbing cleansing oils on your face, but it is good. I do like it. Then there was this was it a brightening moisturizer. I really did like this, It goes a lot further than I expected. The first day I used a lot because you never know about moisturizers, but it did get into the skin as well as a very thin layer on top. It didn't, like, you know how in the winter time sometimes lotions tend to be a little bit more thicker and just lay on the skin. Well, this didn't lay on the skin, but it somehow, like, it glided over and absorbed perfectly. I can't really explain it other than that, but I really do like this. This is a really nice moisturizer. Now this Kate Voss Shine On Shimmer Stick, I'm really disappointed with it because I didn't use it because it's already broken. I'm probably going to just end up throwing it away because, I mean, that is just really nappy and gross, and no. So that, ooh, see, and there it goes. So for me, this might have been a really beautiful highlight, but I didn't use it because it was kind of hard to when the product's already falling out of the stick. So for me, this one was a no, but the other three here were yeses. So this for me was a 3 out of 4, but still good. So moving on to the color Curate bag, there was this highlight stick. Now, I didn't use this a lot. I think I used it like maybe once. And the reason is I just prefer to use these creams more so in the summertime when it's humid or if I'm on the go. And that just wasn't the case right now. It's kind of starting to get dry. It's not very humid. So I usually just prefer powder, not so much and it's really just because these cream things kind of give you more of a dewy look, and I wasn't really going for a dewy look, so. But I do like this. As I said before, I already have one, so I knew I liked it. And then there was the eyeshadow here. I did use it. You can kind of see that. Kind of see where I dug in a little bit. I really do like it. Of course, again, this is another product. I have a duplicate of one of their products. Different shades, but same brand. Still love it. Now, then there's this nebula here that looked like that. And I did not use it because I've used these before, and although they are really beautiful and they go on really great and they're creamy and wonderful, they don't wear well on my hooded eyes. So the product itself is good, it just doesn't work for me. So I'm going to leave this in this and pass this along to somebody else. I'm probably going to stick this in the next giveaway, which will be the winter one. And the last product that was in that was this lovely palette by Jelly Pong Pong, and I really enjoy this. See all the colors there? I was able to create many different looks with it, and you can see that. I've got this one and this one on today, and then I have this gold color too, or copper color. But that is a blush. This one I used as a highlight, and very beautiful looks. Absolutely love it. So for me, all these products were absolute yeses, and I'm gonna give this one a yes because it was a good product. It's just not great for me, and you know, it didn't arrive falling apart or anything like that. It's just not good for me. So this was a solid 4 out of 4. I think this was a really good month still for both subscriptions. And that is all I got to say about that. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And otherwise, I will see you in the next video.